Hello everyone, welcome back to Tanja's World, y'all. We in the house for a real quick one too. Thank you for taking time out your day to come back and see about your girl. We got what? A quick Maria Callenders Popeye. Come through somebody. Y'all, thank you for taking time out your day. This is one of my favorite little quick meals. I hope I'm able to eat this right. Thank you for taking time out your day. Right? Y'all, a lot of my juices fell out because I was multitasking. I got the solar panel guy coming today. So I got a little appointment. I'm trying to do a whole lot of stuff. My off day, busy always. I was gonna cook something, but then I was like, I got, no, I didn't give Max a treat before I sat down, but I gave to him in a minute. I don't know if y'all had, I still haven't had I haven't had the Popeye from, not the pot pie, the Popeye from, my dog is loose, from KFC. My brother said that it's good. Max, stop. Y'all. I had to wind up taking one of his toys away from him today. I'm like, why is that? He kept acting like he's coughing and whatever. But one of his favorite toys has like a little furry tail on it. And I think whatever he's picking off is getting caught in his throat. And I was like, that ain't what we're doing. Yeah. I need to be talking to Annabelle TV. But I want to go ahead and plant my, I think I'm gonna, I wanted to keep my lemon tree in the little in the bucket, right? Because it's cute on the porch. But y'all, it's spreading out. I tied it up to keep the branches growing upward. But honey, I think this thing is getting ready to, because I was trying to make it a little small tree, but baby, I think I'm gonna have to go ahead and plant it. I planted the pomegranate one. It's doing fine. I'm kind of wishing I had went ahead and planted this lemon one too. Then I'm gonna have to find another plant to put on the front porch because it just needs something out there. So, I don't know. So, I'm debating. But anyway, I'm dropping a conversation about the, y'all know I be all over the place. This Marie Callender, and I'm drinking dark cherry juice. Bitter. Yeah, I know I love sour stuff. Bitter cherry juice is good for you. Anywho. No. I want to, again, like I said, plant this tree. But I don't know, y'all, is it a certain time that you can plant the tree, or is it just any time? But it's blooming so pretty now, that's why I don't really want to disturb it. I don't know, y'all. But that means that I would have to dig up one of those trees in the back. Them trees in the back that them people planted, I don't know, oak tree or something, I don't know what it is. One of them I just broke off because I'm just like broken in half because it was leaning so bad and I couldn't get it no matter how about ties and whatever. I just don't feel like they planted it deep enough. So I'm gonna dig that one up. And I may go ahead and plant uh the lemon tree back there. What y'all think? And I have a pomegranate tree and a lemon tree in the backyard. I don't know. What y'all think about it? Let me know. Y'all hear him? Mm-hmm. That's Max. You okay? Mm-hmm. A little dollar tree toy, but he loved that little squirrel. But it got like some little fur stuff on the tail of it. I'm like, mm-mm. Mm. Max be tripping, y'all. I was telling my friend, she got his brother. When I tell you these dogs act just alike, he like to come and get right on top of my feet and play with his toys and be scratching it. I'll be like, mm-mm. She said, but she like for her dog to come sit on her feet and stuff. I don't, because they body high. And I'm like, mm-mm, get off my feet. Mm-mm. But I see that neighbor across the street from me, y'all, her tree dead. Well, they say it ain't dead, but it's just that those trees kind of like die off and come back or whatever. But her tree looked just like mine, and she constantly watering hers. So I thought maybe because I wasn't watering enough, but nope. Mm-mm. I hate those trees. And y'all, my neighbor needs to cut their yard. Y'all, I'm gonna take a picture. I'm gonna show it to y'all. It's bad. It's bad. And I'm getting kind of concerned because last year I done killed 2 snakes out here. A small one and kind of a big size one. And I be concerned because that's the side Max like to go and relieve himself on. I'll be like, come from over there. And so usually I go ahead and cut it because it's in between the house. But I'm like, I ain't finna keep cutting that grass for them. She got a whole husband over there. Oh, okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. You got a whole husband. I'm like, mm-mm. That ain't what we doing. Why I look like cutting their grass and you got a whole, you know, even though she got kids or whatever, and I wouldn't mind helping her out, but she got a whole man. Cut that out. Stop that. Excuse me, y'all. It's real. It's real. I don't know. I'm gonna give you a treat. I don't like eating unless he got a snack. He looking like, girl, where my snack at? I got you. Mm. And these Marie Calendars, I like putting them in the oven so baby it can get all crispy and all that. Babe, got some groceries delivered, babe. I got me some Asian sweet potatoes. If y'all don't know about them right there. They everything. Ooh. Again, like I said, that's tart. Well, y'all, I ain't on none. I'm actually having to, I'm on my other phone, my Google Pixel. I'm like, I ain't got, baby, no balls. None. I gotta catch up with some of y'all online. I'm not trying to stay. I be trying to listen to what he doing because Max be doing the most. And I think this is the larger size one. A little bit of a larger one. I think I'm gonna have to down because again, it ain't like my stomach has shrunk a whole lot. I'm still a plus size girl. Don't get it twisted. But excuse me. I think I need to start getting the little smaller ones because I think I'll be content with them. And it wasn't but like a couple cents difference in it, so that's why I went ahead and got the bigger one. Cause I'm like, it didn't make sense. And when I'm hungry, I have no problem finishing them. But like today, I was hungry, but not hungry because why? I had been snacking on some chips before I had went out there to go finish, doing the yard back and forth. But I needed to put food in my stomach because I would take my vitamins and stuff like that. But I may not eat anything else today, food wise. I ain't gonna say snack wise because I'll be telling y'all a lie. And that ain't what we doing. I need to go bathe Max too, but I want to wait till this guy come on. But he told me, I don't know where he coming from because last time he said it took him almost 2 hours. I'm sure traffic today What's today? Friday? Oh, yeah. I can say he was en route, but child, it was almost an hour ago. I'm so thankful. Why? Because this is an older guy. This is an older man coming back to fix what the young technician did. Wrong. That's why, honey, that's why I say, baby, I'll take me a dap daddy any day. Old folk, and I know that the young people got to learn, but I don't want you practicing on me. I don't. And I told them too. I said, send me a seasoned gentleman out here. As a matter of fact, I said, send the one that came the last time. Send him back. I like a seasoned man. Who knows something. Because, baby, the young folks be doing the quick one, too. They don't care about nothing because, why? It ain't their property. They don't care. They ain't got to live here. It's good enough to pass, and they ain't checking stuff, and it ain't secured like it's supposed to be, and, yeah, all that. I'm like, I ain't got time. But if you do it right the first time, and nobody gotta keep going back behind you because I'm her. And I'm like, I ain't asking y'all for no favors. I ain't financing them. I'm paying cash money. And I ain't talking about no little money. You hear me? Oh, okay. Y'all supposed to be the professionals. I'm not here. You went up there and did some ish. Look like I could have did. Baby, I left them a real nice. I didn't curse on their machine. But they know I was hot. I said, y'all send somebody back out here and get this mess off top of my house. ASAP. Oh, okay. The next day. I meant business. And I ain't saying that in a party way. But I was pissed off. Because that was a sacrifice that I made for something that I wanted. You don't take my money and do me some kind of way. That ain't what we're doing in this season of my life. Ain't no more just taking stuff. I speak up for myself. Especially when I know I'm right. Anybody can get it. Man, woman, girl, boy, child. Who? Oh, okay. This Tantra's world over here. I create the atmosphere. That part. Y'all. I'm sending out love and light to everyone, right? Maybe somebody need to hear that. Stand your ground. You understand what I'm saying? We work hard for our coins. Don't let nobody just take you down through there. And you got legal rights. That's why. And this is a reason why, too. A lot of times people be like, oh, girl, you could have got it done cheap and what. Yeah, I probably could have, but I wouldn't have a warranty. I want somebody who, this supposed to be their profession. You understand? Hear me and hear me well. It costs to be the boss. I want it done right. I want it to be pleasing to my eyes. You hear me? I'm just saying. Y'all, if you're on the highway, be careful back and forth, right? Love yourself. Always love on someone else. And I'm going to see y'all next time. Bye.